Hello YouTube, Tech back with another great video, and today's video is about the new Microsoft product, which is the operating system, the so-called Windows 11. Windows 11 released months ago by Microsoft. So today's video is related with how we can download Windows 11 from Microsoft. So the file that you get is the ISO file, which is the standard file, and you can download it freely by being a part of Microsoft by using your any Gmail or Microsoft account or any account that you have and registering into the Microsoft website. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So when we start to download the process, first you should have to be the part of the Microsoft's, which is the Windows Insider program. So as you can see here, in the about section, you'll find the Windows Insider program here. So after you log into the Windows Insider program, then it will ask you to register or log into the Windows Insider program. Then if you have a Microsoft account, or if you are already a part of a Microsoft, then you can log in. But if you are a new member, you should have to register here on the register section. So when you click the register section, it will ask you to sign in now. Sign in into the Microsoft account. So I will click the sign in now, and it will give you an account. So I already have an account, but if you are new, you can create your own account. So I'll use my account and enter my password. Then I'll sign into the Microsoft site. Then I'll proceed to the Microsoft's Insider program, which is the so-called Windows Insider program. So register for the Windows Insider program, which is you should have to go to the bottom and program agreement, then accept the terms and the agreement, then register now. So after you register to this program, then after we finish the registering and being a part of the Windows Insider program, we will use the link that we use to open this Windows Insider program in a new tab. I'll put the link in the description box that you can use it to log into the Windows Insider program. So after it opens this, then we will get this option, which is the ISO option. If you are not the part of the Windows Insider program, you are not going to get this ISO section, whether you log in or not. You should have to be the Windows Insider program, and you should have to follow all the steps. So I'm going to click this Windows ISO section on the Microsoft website. Then it will show you the files that are related with Windows 11. So as you can see here, different informations are available related with Windows 10, Windows 11, which is system requirements that are needed in order to install Windows 10 and as well as Windows 11, and some other informations are available that you can read and get plenty of more further information. But here we got select the edition that you want related with Windows 11. So select edition, which is when you click here the drop down, you'll find different Windows 11 formats: the dev, the beta, release preview, enterprise, and different options. In my suggestion, in my reading, the perfect or the more stable one is this Windows 11 Insider Preview, which is the dev channel. So I prefer this one and click confirm to proceed to the next section. So it will ask you to select the product language. Then you will choose one language which is that you want, and the language that I want is English. Then I will confirm the section and wait for the next section. So here it says download the link below, Windows 11 Client Insider Preview, which is only available in 64-bit download. So after you click this 64-bit download, your computer, as you can see, will start downloading the ISO Windows 11 operating system. So this is all about today's video. I know you got something from this video, and if you are interested with my videos, like, share, subscribe, Charge Takeouts.